Hello everyone. Today I want to explain how to use Microsoft Excel for the first time. So this is very basic for those who want to learn Microsoft Excel in all versions. So it's very basic. Okay, let's start with the workspace. So this is my workspace. I'm using Microsoft Excel 2016 version. So before we start anything, we must know the Microsoft Excel. We will use it for the calculation. Very popular for the calculation. We using the Microsoft Excel. So in Microsoft Excel, there will be two systems. We can see there's a lot alphabet in here, as you can see, and then numeric. 1 until there's a lot number. So the alphabet from A until Z, like this, it's called column. And then for the number, it's called rows. And as you can see, you can click anywhere, and if I click in here, let's say I want to click in here, in here, you can see the gray columns like this, and the rows. This is the intersection between the column and the rows, and it's called cell, and each cell have a name like this, E10. In this place. Okay, if I move here, let's say in here, H15 in this cell. Okay, all right, so its cell have a name. Okay, so how to calculate, how to start with the calculation. So let's start with the column from A, B, C, D. We will use some column, and let's start with the title A, B. Okay, we will create two columns, A and B, and then for C we will create the add division, A plus B, and then in the column A minus B, and then A multiplication. We will use the asterisk like this, and then the last one is division, A divide B. Okay, let's start with the random number. I want to try to add 5 for B, for A column, for the first cell, and then 10, and then 12, and then 25. This is for example. And then for B column, 4, and then 16, and then 24, and then 35. Okay, let's say I have two column, A column and B column, and then how to add addition for this one, addition. Okay, addition for A column and B column. You can use calculator, of course, and then add the number like this. But it's manual to calculate this operation. Okay, and then how to create the code, the formula for this two column. Okay, we can start using equal for to create the calculation for division, this one. Okay, and then we can start type the cell name. So in this one, the number 5, which is in A2, we can type it A2, and then you can add the symbol, the plus symbol, and then you can add the cell name of this one, B2. Okay, and then you can press enter, and then you will get the result. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, and then how to subtraction like this? You can do the same thing like before, and only change the symbol like this, A2 minus B2. Yeah. So you can by typing A2 plus B2, or you can click the cell. I will show you. Equal, and then you can click the A2 cell and then minus the B2 cell. Done. Press enter, and then you will get the result. Okay, seems like before. For the multiplication, you can start with equal, and then you can click A2 and then asterisk and then B2. Press enter, and you will get the result. And then the last one, how to division. Start with equal, and then click A2 and then divide B2. Click. Yeah, you will get the result. Okay, so this is the result for the first row. If you change one of them, let's say I want to change this one, B2 to 6, and then you will get the result. Will automatically update the result. Alright, let's turn it back. Okay, and then how to add for the rest? In Microsoft Excel, you can copy the formula to generate the new one. Let's say if I do manually for the cell, it means equal A3 plus B3, right? Like this. Actually, we can do copy the formula to generate the new formula. So we can point the pointer here. As you can see, at the edge, at the corner of this cell, you can see a little square here, and then you can click until the pointer change into the black plus like this. It means I will copy the formula. Press the left click and then drag it until the last row, and then you will get the new formula for each cell like this. As you can see, the first row, the C2 cell, this one, A2 plus B2, and then for the second row, A3 plus B3, and then A4 plus B4. No need to add manually. Okay, that's why we use the Microsoft Excel for the calculation. It will help you so much to finish the calculation, finishing the calculation. Okay, and then how about the rest? You can copy all these formula from D2 until F2. You can click and then you can press Shift to select all these cell from D2 until F2. Okay, if you're done, you can do exactly same like before. Yeah, point the pointer at the edge, at the corner here. As you can see the little square, and then you can click, drag it until the last row. Yeah, and then you will get the result. Is it correct? Yeah. The formula will update with the new formula for each cell. Okay, Alright, that's all maybe for this lesson. For those who want to learn Microsoft Excel for a beginner, it will help you so much. Okay, maybe that's all for today. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel, and see you in another video. Bye bye.